I see it in your eyes, the way they turn away, the words left unspoken, the love that fades each day. You hold me close, but your heart's not here, and I'm standing in the shadow of the love we used to share. If you're only staying just to keep me from the pain, don't pretend, don't make me wait in vain. I'd rather lose you than live with a lie. So tell me now, don't leave me wondering why. If you can't love me, let me go. Don't hold on if your heart says no. I deserve a love that's real, not one that time will steal. If you can't love me, let me go. I trace the memories written in your touch, but I feel the distance and it hurts too much. Loving someone who's already gone is like chasing a sunset that won't wait for dawn. If you're only staying just to keep me from the pain, don't pretend, don't make me wait in vain. I'd rather lose you than live with a lie. So tell me now, don't leave me wondering why. If you can't love me, let me go. Don't hold on if your heart says no. I deserve a love that's real, not one that time will steal. If you can't love me, let me go. Love isn't meant to be a half-lit flame, a story where only one still remains. If your heart's already walked away, don't leave me standing in the rain. Ooh. If you can't love me, let me go. Don't keep me